Hi, I am Arvind Nandakumar. I'm author and writer. I have visited IIT as a guest of honor to address the students with design department and also the professors. I got this privilege to showcase my deeper understanding skills and also give an awareness about autism to all of the students. We had a great time and a very good interactive session of 25 questions that are being asked by the students as well as the professors. What I interacted, different philosophical questions and different aspects they have to know about autism as well. Because in general, individuals with autism, they communicate in a different way. So there is a very lesser scope for anybody to understand about us. So this is an opportunity I can create coming to your college if you wish so. So would you like to see what all I did in IIT Delhi? The most prestigious college in Delhi. The student's life is a beautiful phase. I couldn't get the chance to go to college, but I really like to be part of college atmosphere and interact with the students. Interact with whatever the kind of doubts they have in their own personal life towards understanding on the design perspective, that too for designing special tools for us. This was sponsored by our mentor, Dr. Krishnaveni Achari, who also supported us in staying as well as to reach the place and also to get interaction segment. She mentors the students with autism and also tries to give them greater opportunities. So regarding my opportunity, she explained the mind reading capacities I have. Yes, I can do the mind reading. It's a secret. Understand, if the individuals have any kind of a deeper issues, I can mind read and tell that. And also I love entertain others. So I asked some of the students to sing a song for me. And on a note of appreciation, if I said something, they understood in a different way. I asked them to go and Google it. Once they Googled it, they understood the real meaning. It's such a fun if I make them, oh my God, this word is something not in our dictionary. So you want also to have this kind of an experience in your college? So you can welcome me. I can be part of your college and give a beautiful, wonderful segment of session. And you can understand more about autism, also the world, what we think about. We are available. We are in Gurukulam Institute in Chennai. It's an NGO run by my mother, Radha Nandakumar. And you can be part of my Twitter ID. Make it curious, make it innovative, make it any friends. We are ready to come to your college. We're just waiting for your call. See you all.